threat of coronavirus is still real, and as businesses begin to open back up around the country, many will need proper equipment to sanitize and disinfect their facilities. Here at Larson Electronics, we understand that the cost of some of the equipment may be a barrier to some small businesses, or to those who have lost months of revenue due to being shut down. That's why we are working with a financing company to help businesses who need these products but can't afford them right now. Financing is a great option for small businesses and those who have lost revenue due to coronavirus-related closures, but also an ideal option for new businesses just starting out. We now offer financing on all disinfecting and sanitizing products, such as our UV disinfecting carts, our HVAC UV coil disinfecting systems, and our doorway and overhead door germicidal UVC lights that kill 99% of viruses and bacteria. Check out all the disinfection and sanitization products that we offer at Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.